अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीबॉडी। आज की हमारी स्टार डिश है चिकन पॉट पाई सूप विद क्रूटॉन्स। इट विल बी रेडी अंडर 30 मिनट्स और इसको टेस्ट करते ही आप कहेंगे कमाल। सो लेट्स बिगिन। यू विल बी नीडिंग 1 cup cubed chicken, half cup diced and boiled carrots, 1 cup diced and boiled potatoes, half cup boiled peas, 2 cups of milk, 100 ml of cream, that is half a pack, 1 small chopped onion, 2 serving spoons full of white flour maida, 2 chicken cubes, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper and half teaspoon red chili flakes. Lastly, 3 cups of water. In a pan, take 5 tablespoons of butter or oil and then add the chopped onions. Saute it for approximately 30 seconds and then add the chicken. Stir fry the chicken till it turns white. Now add the spices other than the mixed herbs, that is salt, black pepper, red chili flakes and the 2 cubes. इसको अच्छे तरीके से मिक्स कर लें and then 2 डोंगे के चम्मच मैदा ऐड कर दें, which is approximately 1/4 cup. मिक्स इट वेल और ये सब इकट्ठा होना शुरू हो जाएगा, बट नो वरीज। ऑलमोस्ट 2 मिनट्स तक इसको पकाएं और फिर इसमें 2 कप मिल्क शामिल कर दें और साथ ही इसमें शामिल कर दें 3 कप पानी। मिक्स इट वेल और इसको देन हल्की आंच पर सिमर करने दें फॉर अबाउट 15 to 20 मिनट्स ताकि चिकन टेंडर हो जाए। अगर आप चिकन क्यूब्स नहीं ऐड करना चाहते तो देन ऐड 3 cups ऑफ prepared stock, that is yakhni, instead of water and chicken cubes. After about 20 minutes, the stock will be reduced. Then add the boiled vegetables. You can add corns too if you want to. Then add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Since vegetables are already boiled, we don't need to simmer it for a long time. So just add the 100 ml cream right after the vegetables. Mix it nicely till it becomes slightly creamy and your chicken pot pie soup is ready. And it can yield 5 to 6 servings depending on the size of your serving soup bowl. Now let's make the croutons, which will hardly take 5 minutes. Take a slice or more and remove the edges. Dice it and then shift it to a baking tray. No need to grease the tray. Then आप इनको बेक कर लें 180 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे। बहुत जल्दी इनका कलर गोल्डन हो जाता है, so keep an eye. 2 minutes for one side and 2 minutes for the other side should be enough. So our crispy and crunchy croutons are ready. That's how I like to have my chicken pot pie soup. Hope you like it too. If you have any questions or you tried this recipe and you want to share feedback, feel free to do so in the comment section. Thank you.